Are you dreaming of earning big money in Thailand? Do you want to know which jobs pay foreigners the highest salaries in 2026? Then stop scrolling, because in the next few minutes I'm going to reveal Thailand's top-paying jobs, insider salary secrets, and step-by-step tips to get hired fast. If you want to see more videos like this and discover how to work, earn, and live legally in Thailand, make sure to hit that subscribe button right now and click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Trust me, this video could change the way you plan your career in Thailand. Have you ever dreamed of working in Thailand and earning a salary that not only supports your lifestyle, but also allows you to explore the beauty and culture of one of the most vibrant countries in Southeast Asia? Thailand has become an increasingly popular destination for foreigners seeking job opportunities, especially in 2026, with a wide range of positions across industries that can pay surprisingly well for expatriates. Whether you are a young professional, a skilled worker, or someone exploring career options abroad, this video will give you step-by-step insights into the best-paying jobs in Thailand, the visa process, and the key strategies that can help you secure your dream role legally and efficiently. Before we dive into the specifics, it is essential to understand why Thailand is such an attractive destination for foreign workers. Beyond the scenic landscapes, tropical beaches, and delicious cuisine, Thailand offers a unique combination of professional opportunities and a relatively low cost of living. For many expats, this means that salaries earned in certain industries can go much further than they would in countries with a higher cost of living. For example, salaries in the tech, teaching, and specialized service sectors can provide a comfortable standard of living while allowing you to save or enjoy the lifestyle you desire. The first step toward finding high-paying work in Thailand is understanding the visa requirements and work authorization process. Thailand has made significant adjustments to its visa policies over the years to accommodate skilled foreign professionals. In 2026, the Thai government continues to support a streamlined work visa process for industries that require specialized expertise. Depending on the type of work you intend to pursue, you might qualify for a non-immigrant B visa, which is specifically designed for employees and professionals, or, in some cases, for roles in highly demanded sectors. There are specific programs offering longer-term work permits. Ensuring that you have the correct visa is not just a legal requirement, it is also a critical step in ensuring that you can work and live in Thailand without interruptions or penalties. Once the visa is in place, the next focus is identifying which industries and positions offer the best earning potential. In Thailand, the teaching sector, particularly teaching English as a foreign language, remains one of the most accessible options for foreigners. However, beyond teaching, there are numerous other opportunities that can significantly increase your income. The IT and tech industry has grown rapidly, especially in Bangkok, Chiang Mai, and other urban hubs. Positions such as software developers, data analysts, project managers, and digital marketing specialists often come with salaries that are substantially higher than entry-level teaching positions. For foreigners with specialized skills or experience in these areas, Thailand can offer both financial rewards and the chance to advance professionally in a growing market. Healthcare and medical services are another sector where foreign professionals can find well-compensated positions. Nurses, physical therapists, and specialized medical technicians are in demand in private hospitals and international clinics. These positions often require certification and sometimes Thai language proficiency, but they offer salaries and benefits that are competitive on an international scale. Similarly, industries like finance, hospitality management, tourism, and engineering also present lucrative opportunities for those with the right qualifications and experience. Understanding salary ranges is crucial when evaluating job opportunities. For instance, teaching English may provide a monthly income ranging from 30,000 to 60,000 Thai baht, depending on the institution, location, and your experience. In contrast, roles in IT, digital marketing, or multinational companies can range from 60,000 to over 150,000 Thai baht per month, sometimes accompanied by benefits such as housing allowances, insurance, and performance bonuses. For foreigners, these salaries can be particularly attractive, especially when combined with Thailand's relatively low living costs in comparison to Western countries. To maximize your chances of securing a high-paying position, you need to focus on several key strategies. First, ensure that you